Hey guys, I have some animal crackers with me. There's not many left, but that's okay. And they're left over, so I just decided to use them. And some vanilla rich and creamy frosting. So what I'm going to be making today is going to be very yummy. So, I was going to go to the store and buy some sprinkles, but they were all out. That's so sad. But anyway, it's still going to be fun. I'm going to be making is animal cracker with frosted animal crackers. So, you might not want to use the cracked ones. Like the cracked ones are going to be bad to use. But if you will use the full ones, it's amazing. Look at all that. Yeah. And then all you do is stuff that in there. Flip it to the other side. And then you're going to rub all the frosting around. So it's on the cookie. It's going to be so yummy. So that's what it's going to look like, but you do have to rub it around. So when it's rubbed around, it's going to be really hard. But let me try one. That's amazing. That is good. Hold on. So, vanilla frosting and the animal crackers are so good. This should be a snack. It is. And you just do that till it rubs around. So rub it around everywhere, and if it comes off, then you have to use a spoon. But mine is not coming off. So that's good, right? Yeah. Yeah. That's so good. You guys should definitely try this for an afternoon snack. You just need animal crackers and any type of frosting. Doesn't matter. Chocolate, strawberry, anything. So, this was short, but it was still good and still fun. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and please thumbs up this video. And this was so yummy. So you guys have to try it. You can either dip them, dip the animal crackers with the frosting, or you can just cover it and let it dry on a platform like this. So you can have a snack which will be frosted and not sticky coming all over your fingers. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you liked it. So yeah, it was really yummy. Just one more before you guys go. Before I go. I'm going to dip it all in there. There you go. We did it. It looks very yummy. Yum. Thanks for watching. Okay. See ya. This was so yummy. I hope my family could get back in the house soon, because they're in the backyard. Lol. I'm gonna make them try this. Thumbs it up. Okay. Subscribe. Bye.